get the hell out of any car that won't start right away.
Carlos, I'm Michael Weston. Good to meet you.
What the hell?
You think I have your money? That's all the money I have!
You better kill me now!
You know, you're not the first person to tell me that today.
think you can rob me? Me!
I didn't rob you, Carlos. Your boy Justino did.
Tina would never betray me.
Really? I think you might have a little too much faith in the bond you share with a mass murderer. I got a call, Carlos. Your boy Justino was spotted at the Iguana Bar down in South Beach 5 hours ago. Since then, nothing. He's probably gonna blow town.
If this don't check out...
What are you gonna do? You gonna kill me? Find him, Carlos. Do it fast, do it alone. Trust the wrong Sicario again. And the next time your car doesn't start, you might not be missing a spark plug.